Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can edit GIFs. This can be done via different applications like Photoshop, GIMP 3 or others. But I made an app that makes it much easier. You can download the application from Perl.g. When you run it, you can just drag and drop files in here and play the animation. Now if you want to crop it, you can choose the frame, visual crop, select the area and apply crop. Now whole GIF is cropped. You can also add layers. For instance, add image, resize, you can also add normal images as different layer. On top of that, you can change frames one by one. You can flip horizontal, vertical, etc. And after you are happy with the GIF, you can just export it. 30 is highest quality. You can change it, making it lower, so size is much lower. As you can see, the animation is running. You can also select frames and create animation from them. You can select whole folder where you have the animation frames in. Now play. If speed is okay, you can leave it as is, but if you want to change it, you can set it to something like 80 and it will speed it up, or maybe 60 or even 40. When you are happy with it, you can export it again. And preview it. You can also add images. If it's too fast, you can set it to 800. If you want to make slideshow like GIF. Again, you can also add any images on top of this animation as a layer, then export the GIF. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful, like the video and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.